Welcome back. Today we're with a 1998 Chevy Silverado. You guys have seen it in the videos before. We're working outside today on it on the driver's side tail light because it's out. So yeah. Alright, so we're pulling this out. I already pulled them out, I just didn't get a recording, but got the Phillips screwdriver and these little tiny screws for this tail light right here. So we're gonna go ahead and pull it out.
You know what I forgot? Damn it. My microphone. Yeah.
Dad, why is this not coming out? I don't want to snap it.
It's got a little hook, so you gotta push it over here. You just see that on camera.
You just got that part.
But it sees me doing it. Fucking hooks. That rubber traps it in. So it's always a battle. So you're gonna pop that guy off. Oh, these? Use that black handle right next to the screwdrivers. I think that's what I use. I think. Yeah. Is that too big?
It'll work.
It'll work. One of the things he failed to mention about these things, they can't get dirty. So when, hold on, grab that screw. When your lenses get like this and they get all dusty and dirty, mud gets stuck up in here, these things cannot handle water, mud, all that crap back here. It can't. And do not put LED lights in it. It'll burn them out.
Just this one.
How's that other one?
Oh, more cleaner.
The reason he's changing this is because somebody had an LED in here and burn up this whole bit. Don't do it. So then I want to just pop it off. Just go straight off, straight up and down. Don't twist it, don't bend it, pull it straight up. I don't know. Slap it in. You know this one works. We know that because I just watched you back up. Alright. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to come back here.
Put that in there.
Oh, you bent that up. Check
It off.
how you break it. Alright, hold on. Okay, hold up there. So that's the reverse light. That's going to be, you should both be your brake light. And one of them should be a clean. The brake light's what we're after. The brake light works for everything else.
Not the left blinker. The left blinker and back and the brake light don't work.
Anything come off?
This bottom one right here.
Coming off?
Metal one.
Okay. You know, you get in there. Go and just start the car. I do everything. Alright, brakes. Brakes?
Brakes?
Yeah, brake. Put the brake pedal on. How are you not putting the brake pedal on?
I am.
What the fuck? That brake again? Lights? Or headlights? That was pretty dim still. Oh no, I guess they are. That one's up there. That one's good. Alright. Reverse? Reverse over there. Reverse right there. Alright, you're good. Shut it off. You got that side locked in?
For sure.
Done?
Yeah.
Done?
Yeah, I'm done.
You done? Hey, let's test it again. Nope, hold on. No brake light. Reverse.